Imagine an LNG plant extracting and process the natural gas. We have one ongoing project. The sizing of the whole plant is like a small town,
which is as big as 60 stadiums.
If the environment is not suitable for the operator to work, so then it's come out the idea to have the remote access to our analyzer system. Hello everyone, welcome to AV Analyzer System Integration Unit. My name is Felix.
My name is Tom.
Welcome to Shanghai, welcome to SIU.
SIU is a system integration unit. We provide a complete analytical solution to chemical plants.
This SIU is a safer place, especially for the operator and the analyzer. We provide this facility to have the analyzer work out the reliable and repeatable sample.
The measurement results need to be sent to operating people as soon as possible. So normally the analyzer need to be located to the source as near as possible.
I think there are the main two reasons. One is like we always recommend to get a representative sample to detect a variation as soon as possible. The second, we avoid degrading of the quality of the sample.
Shall we have a look?
Yes, please follow us. Now we're located in the panel room.
A sample containing system always begins with a sample probe. The probe will be inserted in a process piping, and the process sample will be extracted by this probe to the analyzer. Out of this probe, there could be a preconditioning system, a pressure reduction station. In the pressure reduction station, it provides the first stage filtration and the pressure reduction. And after this PCS, Felix, how do we transport the sample to the analyzer house?
Here we are. I'm during the sample transport line. This we call electrical heating bundle. Inside, we have 1/4 inch the stainless steel tubing for use with one for spare. So now is the time for us to deliver the sample to our analyzer house. Now we're located outside analyzer house. After we get the transport line, then we connect this electrical heating bundle to our secondary sample conditioning system.
The sample will go from here. It begins with a bypass filter and a bypass flow meter.
And then how we adjust the sample, go to the analyzer.
The filter sample will be controlled by some control valves and then go to the analyzer. Let's follow the sample and go inside the analyzer house.
All right, let's go.
The analyzer sample will go out through this tubing, and then the sample will went to the flat header. The sample will be separated in the columns, and the analyzer will convert the detector response to the target measurement values. And we can see the value on this analyzer HMI.
Safety is always our foundation design principle. Inside this analyzer house, we have the redundant HVAC unit, including heating, cooling, ventilation, the facilities. We also provide the temperature and humidity sensor to monitoring inside condition. Also, we have the positive pressure to keep the internal positive pressure around 20 to 50 Pascal. We also have the fine and gas detection system. Let's start from the smoke detector in the ceiling of the analyzer house. They are monitoring the fine condition. In the upper place, we have the flammable gas detector to detect a light hydrocarbon. For the operator, we also have the oxygen gas detector to monitoring the inside condition. We also provide basically the alarm panel. When the operator comes into the house, we need to see the green light on before entry. That is our basic design. All right, let's step out. And then to check the alarm system outside the analyzer house. Selection of the one common for alarm or different colors is from the customer's requirements. For that project, for the red one, normally using for the fire and the flammable gas detection. For the blue one, is for the toxic gas. For the white one, is for the ventilation failure. Let me introduce our HVAC system in the desert location. Externally, we have the redundant HVAC system, including the heating, cooling, ventilation system. Also, we get a common use flash air duct. In the same time, we also monitoring the flow rate of the flash air duct. That's very interesting design for the desert because we have the dust in the environment. We have a trash box and then to cleaning the dust when we're using the HVAC to the daily or normal maintenance.
Felix, since there are many analyzer houses and also so many analyzers, can we see all the analyzer in one place?
Yes. Let's start from the analyzer customer's interface first. On the external wall of the analyzer house, we provide all the junction box, mainly for the signal connection for the hard wiring. Inside the analyzer house, we also have one network enclosure. So then, in the control room, we will have the centralized Armada system. Let's go to the control room. We are going to introduce our analyzer management system. All the data, including the status, will be transferred to our analyzer management system.
So this is the whole journey of a sample from the process line, which could be dangerous, and then analyzed in a well-protected analyzer house. And then we can see all the data in a safe control room. Thanks for joining us for the journey of a sample.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.